Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Discord shuts down AI chatbot, Clyde, Qualcomm unveils Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC, Oppo launches Andes GPT for smartphone, OS enhancement, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google introduces a new Notes feature in its search app, enabling users to add annotations to search results. The feature offers a personal space for users to capture thoughts and insights related to specific search topics visible to others searching for the same topics. Customization options, including colorful fonts and images, enhance the personalization of user notes, contributing to a more engaging search experience. The initial rollout, limited to users in the United States and India, emphasizes Google's focus on refining the search experience for a global user base. Google's exploration of ways to provide insights to publishers based on user-generated notes highlights the company's commitment to user-driven content refinement. Next, we have Discord announces the shutdown of its experimental AI chatbot Clyde, effective from 1st December. Clyde, initially introduced for testing earlier this year, utilized OpenAI's models to engage in conversations and answer questions. The decision to deactivate Clyde in DMs, group DMs, and server chats signals Discord's ongoing exploration and experimentation with AI features. While the reasons for shutting down Clyde are not explicitly stated, Discord remains focused on introducing new features and experiences for its user base. Discord's experimentation with AI, including conversation summaries generated by AI, reflects the company's commitment to providing innovative and engaging communication tools. Qualcomm unveils the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC mobile chipset, expected to be adopted by Honor and Vivo in upcoming devices. Positioned as a mid-range 5G mobile platform, the new chipset builds on the success of its predecessor, offering advancement in on-device AI capabilities. Key features include peak CPU speeds of 2.63 GHz, 50% faster GPU performance, and a 60% improvement in AI performance over the previous generation. Based on TSMC's 4nm process technology, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 supports high-resolution displays, advanced camera capabilities, and LPDDR5T RAM. Qualcomm's commitment to enhancing gaming experiences is evident through features like Qualcomm Game Quick Touch and Adreno HDR Fast Blend. OnePlus Open, the foldable smartphone, receives a software update introducing eSIM support and camera improvements. The update enhances the user experience with a 7.82-inch 2K AMOLED inner display, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, and a Hasselblad branded triple rear camera setup. Features like 67-watt wired Super Whoop charging, aquamorphic themed ringtones, and improved tone and color accuracy in photo and pro mode contribute to overall device improvements. The update reflects OnePlus' commitment to providing ongoing support and enhancements to its devices, addressing user feedback and evolving technological needs. The integration of eSIM support aligns with the industry trend of offering more flexible connectivity options to users. Microsoft confirms that the Copilot AI feature from Windows 11 will be extended to Windows 10, enhancing productivity and user assistance across both versions. The AI assistant, currently in preview stages, offers valuable support in daily tasks and is available in select markets. The update, part of the Insider program, underscores Microsoft's commitment to providing users with the latest enhancements and features. To access the latest update, users need to enroll in the Insider program and activate the Get the Latest Update as soon as they are available toggle. The expanded availability of Copilot AI reflects Microsoft's dedication to delivering innovative solutions to a wider user base. Next up, we have Chinese handset manufacturer Oppo launches Andes GPT, a self-trained large language model. Andes GPT focuses on dialogue enhancement, personalization, and cloud device collaboration, aiming to enhance applications in Oppo's smartphone operating system. Andes GPT supports Oppo's smartphone assistant Brino, covering over 400 frequently used system settings and performing AI content generation tasks. The model brings new capabilities to Oppo's cross-device software platform, Pantanal, providing a more accurate understanding of user intention and context. Oppo emphasizes its commitment to AI advancement through over 45 partnerships with institutions in China and abroad, showcasing a collaborative approach to technological innovation. At last, Google delays the release of its conversational AI Gemini AI until the first quarter of the next year. Despite earlier availability to a small group of companies, Google communicates a broader release timeline to the first quarter of 2024. Gemini AI, powered by large language model, is expected to offer features for chatbot, text summarization, and text generation based on user preferences. The delay aligns with Google's strategic consideration, especially as cloud sales growth slows compared to its rival Microsoft. Google plans to make Gemini available to companies through its Google Cloud Vertex AI service, reflecting the integration of AI capabilities into its cloud services. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।